I'm going to use these pencils from Essence. I'm going to use this brow brush to brush up my brows, and I'm going to use this pencil. Guys, it's time to apply makeup on my face. I'm going to start off with this L'Oreal and Maybelline on my face. Next, I'm going to apply the lip gloss as well. Voila, this is the finished result of this makeup look. It's a simple, pretty makeup look. I hope you guys like this pretty makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. So this is my lovely makeup, my outfit. So guys, I am a web developer. I enjoy doing remote work. So remote work are people that likes to work from home. So I enjoy working from home. So there are so many job opportunities on Indeed and LinkedIn. So I think to apply, and I publish on my website and share with my followings. I also enjoy recommending brands. So whenever I buy pretty makeup from Kiko Milano, pretty hair, or pretty foundation from L'Oreal, or foundation from Dior, or perfume from Bakuro Bangucci, Prada, Dior, I like to share on this channel. So that's why I did the cool listings on Black Market Me. So if you wish to work with me, you can contact me, and if you want to learn about web designs, you can also contact me.
تصدق خويا ولا ما تصدقش في امورك؟ قلت له كي تولي مرتك انت هذيك انت توريني فيها وبعد تصور. والله يا سير مرحبا. سير خويا، ريتها في برشا، ريت انا بدي ريتها.
مش عارف السيجاره قدامك. Yeah, you prefer this and مش نرجع.
So I like to rub it gently. So it's actually a lip liner, but I like to use it as a pencil. So good morning, arise and shine. This is going to be a wake up with me, life of a beauty IT consultant. I'm going to share with you my current favorite items, how I created this simple day makeup look.
والله يا سير مرحبا. سير خويا، ريتها في برشا، ريت انا بدي ريتها.
مش عارف السيجاره قدامك. Yeah, you prefer this and Johnny just says,